In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up sold comps on eBay. Sold comps, or comparable sales, are the most reliable way to see what buyers have actually paid for an item recently, so you can price confidently, evaluate a deal, or estimate value without guesswork. Start by going to eBay and using the search bar. Type the exact product you're looking for and be as specific as possible. Include the brand, model, size, color, capacity, and key condition. Words like new, used, or for parts if they apply. Precise keywords help filter out unrelated results and get you closer to true like-for-like comparisons. If you know a model number or a specific edition name, add that too. Quotation marks around critical phrases can keep the search tight, and placing the most important words first usually improves relevance. When the results load, move to the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you find the section labeled Show Only. It sits below other filters like buying format and condition, so keep scrolling until you see it. This is where you'll unlock the data that matters most for pricing. Under Show Only, select Sold Items. The page will refresh to display completed listings that actually sold, typically pulled from the last 90 days. You'll notice final sale prices highlighted in green. If the seller accepted a best offer, you may see the original price with a strike-through, which indicates the final amount was lower. Each result also shows a sale date, so you can quickly tell how recent the comp is. Now, interpret what you're seeing. Focus on listings that closely match your item in model, condition, colorway, storage size, or variant, and included accessories like boxes, tags, chargers, or manuals. Keep an eye on shipping costs shown next to the price. Some sellers set a lower item price and higher shipping, so compare totals fairly. Watch the selling format too. Auction results can trend lower, while buy it now sales give you a clearer read on fixed price demand. Look for a cluster of similar sales to find a realistic range, and ignore outliers caused by heavy damage, missing parts, bulk lots, or unusually timed auctions. Prioritize comps that match your item's condition as closely as possible, since like new and heavily used can differ significantly in value. That's the whole process. Search for your exact item, scroll to the Show Only section, and enable Sold Items. With those 3 moves, you'll have real market data to guide your pricing and purchasing decisions. Try this the next time you list or source an item, and revisit sold comps regularly as the market shifts.